Good morning. Today is Wednesday and we are going to go clamp a commercial spring. It's a pretty small one. I believe it's a bigger door though, so we're going to do it on ladders. And we're going to have to torch it because I guess the spring ruptured, and you'll see what I mean by that. The spring came off the cones. So we'll have to torch it, clamp it, get it temporarily running because they are getting new doors. So it just so happens that the spring broke. Now we have to go fix it. So I will see you at the job site. Alrighty, we're at the job site. You can see up there, the spring is broken. It's split into two. We had a little bit of a rupture over there. We have to cut that off, clamp that. Right now we have just the door up on cable or come-alongs to keep the door up. We're gonna slide the stuff underneath, then do it off of ladders. So that is what we will be doing. Why is the flame so long? There we go. Okay, there's that. There we go. Bang. Worked perfectly. Yeah, I loosened it for you. I have my chesticle pocket, which is really sad. So we gotta clamp in a spring. So first we gotta get the spring spread open so that we can get the clamps in. Got these clamps. I don't know where it's aiming. Alright, here we go, satellite radio. Oh my god. We found it. Oh, hello. Put these guys in here. And then we gotta take that off. Oh, we're gonna make this work. I thought it was fun. Maybe not the extra like 2 hours that we were out in the sun. Because if we had come out maybe like yeah. Let's go. Oh, baby. All right. Maybe this guy will go on. This guy will go on. This is our ticket in to get these clamped. As long as we get these in. Is it grabbed? It grabbed, baby. And we can tighten this, get these a little closer. Look at that. Beautiful. Gotta be careful, because these are cast. Don't want to break the cast. Slowly make our way up. See? Don't. Sweet. I'm going to be adding 6 3/4 winds because every other spring has 7, and I want this spring to do the least amount of work. Gonna find the neutral position where it comes back down on me. This hole right here. It's coming back down. We make our line.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life.
Oh, can't even lift that off. Yeah, you. I got it. I got it. This door balance is so good. It's the best big door I've seen balance.
Yeah, it's actually incredibly easy to pick up.
Yeah. Alrighty. Get out me way, bro. Bring it back down. We need to replace that. Battery, hinges. My foot. Ah, my foot's cramping. Oh, my foot's cramping. Oh. Oh. Round two. Sweet, 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 sweet. Awesome. Ooh, those are really high. Nice. All good.
These seem to be working pretty well.
You don't say.
I don't see why we had to replace these.
You don't need to. Always gotta lift with your back. Lifting with your back.
Love it.
Dang. Dang. It is so hot out.
That's what I said.
Oh, my legs hurt so bad. Alrighty, we got the job done. And we were able to get the spring clamped. We were able to get the door running. It actually balanced very nicely, which is surprising for a big door. Everything went pretty smooth. We have another job to go to. I won't be able to record that one, so I'm just gonna end it here. But it's been hot out today. I was cramped, my foot was cramping, but I've been drinking water this whole time, so it was nice to have 2 people on this one. Because being up on the ladder, you get really sweaty, so that kind of sucks. But we got it done, and that's all that matters. So I appreciate you watching. I will see you on the next one.